Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Today, as you can see, this is the class 6th English reader. This is the class 6th English reader. This chapter today, this book today, I'm going to teach you. And the first chapter I was teaching you, and near about two video I have provided for the first chapter. This is your first chapter, and I was teaching it, and two page of this chapter I have taught you. So today I'm going to start your third page so that you can understand the complete story of this chapter, because this I have taught you already. So from here I will teach you this page. Okay, so listen from here. I am going to teach you, because this is very important for you all, and this paragraph very first I will teach you, so listen from here. Meanwhile her son was led, and very first I want to tell you something story of this, because I have the book also, and you can say this is the white elephant. And in this chapter, what is the white elephant? You can say he was the leader of a group, and after that there was some problem, because you can say the messengers, they were not sending the money to his mother properly. And after that a forester came in the forest, and how he tells the ways over there. And at last, when the forester goes to his city, you can say Banaras, over there he find out that the king's, you can say, elephant had died. And so he tells the information news about that white elephant. So after that what happens from here you will see, so listen clearly. Meanwhile her son was led into the beautiful city of Banaras. Okay, meanwhile her son was led into the beautiful city of Banaras. While he was over here, her mother was, you can say, his mother was very sad, because his son has gone from there. And all, you can say, the messengers, the soldiers, the elephant trainers came, and they have catched the son of that elephant. Okay, so meanwhile her son was led to the beautiful city of Banaras, where he was given to a grand reception. Meanwhile her son was led into the beautiful city of Banaras, where he was given a grand reception. Very first, when the soldiers, when the elephant trainers have catched that elephant, that white elephant, it have reached in the Banaras, so beautiful city of Banaras, where he was given a grand reception, because it was the order of the king that they catch. And this was the reason, when this elephant reached there, over a grand reception organized for that white elephant. The whole city was decorated, and his own stable was vivacious, painted and covered with garland of fragrant flowers. The tenors laid out a feast for their new state elephant, who refused to touch a morsel. He did not respond to any kind of incitements, be it the fragrant flowers or the beautiful and comfortable stable. He just sat there looking completely unhappy. So listen till here. Very first, you can understood that meanwhile her son was led to the beautiful city of Paras. Very first, when he reached over, it was, you can say, a grand reception organized over there. And after that, the whole city of Banaras decorated. It means all the city decorated, and his own staple was variously painted. और उसका जो खुद स्टेबल है, स्टेबल मीन्स स्तबल जिसको बोलते हैं, जहाँ पे जानवरों के रहने का स्थान जो होता है. सो what happened, the whole city decorated, and his own stable, उसका जो रहने का प्लेस बनाया गया था, own stable was vivaciously painted and covered with garlands. What is vivaciously? It is बहुत कलर से, बहुत अच्छे कलर से, अनेक प्रकार के रंगों से. Vivaciously we can say over here vibrant, and it means vibrant color, you can say bright color से क्या होता है कि उसके स्टेबल को पेंटेड किया जाता है, पेंटेड एंड कवर्ड विद गारलैंड of fragrant flowers. And after that, it all covered with the fragrant flowers also. a lot of garland decorated, and it was a garland, it was a flower that have a lot of fragrance also. Okay, so the trainers laid out a feast for their new state elephant, who refused to touch a morsel. And what is the morsel? A small portion of food. And other hand, all the soldiers, all the person of the palace, they were busy in the reception. So the trainers laid out a feast for their new state elephant, and they have found a new state elephant. In this way they organized a feast. एक दावत रखी जाती है उसके उपलक्ष्य में कि उनके राज्य में एक नई एलिफेंट आया है. दिस वॉज द रीजन दैट दे ऑर्गेनाइज्ड अ फीस्ट आल्सो. फीस्ट मीन्स दावत, तो एक दावत रखते हैं वो लोग. द ट्रेनर्स लेट आउट अ फीस्ट फॉर न्यू स्टेट एलिफेंट हु रिफ्यूज टू टच अ मॉर्सेल. मॉर्सेल मीन्स यू कैन से अ स्मॉल पोर्शन ऑफ फूड, यानी भोजन का एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा भी वह नहीं खाता है. बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी सैड, यू नो, the white elephant was very sad. So the trainers let out a feast for their new state elephant, who refused to touch a morsel. यानी एक टुकड़ा भी वह नहीं खाता है, एक जिसको बोलते हैं ना एक पार्टिकल भी नहीं खाता है. Okay, so after that what happens? He did not respond to any kind of incitements. It means he was not responding. He was very sad. He just goes there. After that he was very calm. He was not saying anything. He has no any kind of excitement, because other hand all the person in the palace, they were very excited to welcoming this elephant. And after that they were taking the feast, enjoyment of feast and enjoyment of decoration. They were busy. But other hand the elephant have no any kind of excitement, be it the fragrant flowers or the beautiful and comfortable stable. उसको ना तो इस ब्यूटीफुल फ्रेग्रेंट फ्लावर से कोई मतलब था, ना तो इस कंफर्टेबल स्टेबल से ही, यानी कुछ भी उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. ओनली ही वांट टू सेट फ्री, बिकॉज यू नो he has left to his mother at home at Mount Kandorana. This was the reason. He just sat there looking completely unhappy, and after that he just sat over there and it was looking unhappy. यानी वह आराम से बैठ जाता है और वह पूरी तरह से दुखी होता है, कुछ भी खाता नहीं. And this way, and he was not responding. He has no any kind of excitement. Okay, after that next paragraph. Next paragraph you can see from here. 1 minute, I want to tell you. From here you can see. Okay, if you not understood, from here you can see this paragraph solution. After that from here I'm going to teach you. The worried trainers went straight to report the situation to the king. The king was extremely concerned when he heard that they had to say, and went to the stable himself. He offered the elephant food from the royal table and asked him why he grieved in this manner. Okay, after that when the, you can say, messengers, when the trainers, because they were very worried also, because this new elephant, this white elephant, was not taking a single particle of the meal food. So this was the jump. They worried trainers, and so the worried trainers, यानी जो चिंतित ट्रेनर्स थे, वेंट स्ट्रेट टू रिपोर्ट द सिचुएशन टू किंग, बिकॉज दे जस्ट गोज टू इन्फॉर्म द किंग दैट this, you can say, elephant is not taking anything and it is very sad, it was not eating anything. So this kind of report they want to keep to the king. So the worried trainers went straight to report the situation to their king. The king was extremely concerned when they heard that they had to say, and went to the stable himself. Extremely concerned. And when king knows, you can see from here, when king knows about this situation, the king was extremely concerned. He was also very concerned towards this elephant. When he heard that, and when he knows about this news, when he knows that the elephant was very happy, he was not taking any particle of meal food, then they had to say, and went to the stable himself. And after that he come to the stable himself. तो जहाँ पे उस stable में जहाँ पे उस हाथी को रखा गया था, वह खुद चलकर वहाँ पे आते हैं. He offered the elephant food from the royal table, and after that from the royal table he offered the food to that elephant. So he offered the elephant from the royal table and asked him why he grieved in this manner. And after that, he asked to that elephant that what is the reason that you are so unhappy, you are so sad, and why you are not taking your food properly. What is the reason he want to know? And in this way, he asked to that elephant also. Okay. After that, next paragraph from here you can see this paragraph. Okay, so listen, I'm going to tell it. The white elephant replied that he would not eat a thing until he met his mother. So the king asked him where his mother was. The elephant replied that she was back home on Mount Kandorana and must be worried and hungry as he was blind and had no one to feed her and take care of her. He was afraid that she would die. So this was the main reason he was unhappy, because he has a mother. This white elephant has a mother and she was totally blind. She cannot manage his food properly, she cannot walk, she cannot do any kind of work. So this was the reason he was very worried about his mother. So very first he tells this incident to the king. The white elephant replied. So, on the question of that king, the white elephant replied that it would not eat a thing until he met his mother. यानी वह तब तक कुछ भी नहीं खाएगा जब तक वह अपनी माँ से नहीं मिल लेगा. It means over here he is saying that the white elephant replied that he would not eat a thing until he met his mother. जब तक वह अपनी माँ से नहीं मिलेगा तब तक वह कुछ भी नहीं खाएगा. Okay, what was the reason? Because so the king asked him where his mother was, and after that king want to know that where his mother was, because he has put a condition over here that he will not eat anything until he will not meet to his mother. So the king asked to him that where his mother was. At that time the elephant replied that she was back home to Mount Kandorana. And after that the white elephant tells to king that my mother was at that time at Mount Kandorana and must be worried and hungry. And he tells that she must be worried also, she must be hungry also, because she was blind, she was totally blind, she cannot manage his food, and she was worried about me also, she was beating for me also. So she was blind and had no one to feed her, और कोई भी वहाँ है नहीं जो उनके लिए भोजन की व्यवस्था कर सके. It means nobody was present there who can help him, who can manage food for him and take care of her, और जो उनकी देखभाल कर सके. He was afraid that she would die, and this was the reason white elephant says that this was the reason I afraid that when I will not go there, when I will not manage food for her, she would die soon. And this kind of fear comes in his mind. After that, next paragraph you will study. No, this is very, you can say, short paragraph. Okay, from here you can see this is very short paragraph. Listen, I'm telling this also. From here you can see the compassionate king यानी जो सहानुभूतिपूर्ण जो राजा थे, जो किंग थे, the compassionate king was touched by the elephant's story and asked him to return to his blind old mother and take care of her as he had been doing all along. He set him free in love and kindness. So after that what happens? Listen, the compassionate king, compassionate में सहानुभूतिपूर्ण, क्योंकि राजा जो थे बहुत ही सहानुभूतिपूर्ण थे. You can say he can understand the situation of anybody, and so this was the reason the compassionate king was touched by the elephant's story. It means over here this pathetic story of the white elephant touched to the heart of that king and asked him to return to his blind old mother. And after that he ordered him that you can go from here, you can return from here to your mother and take care of her, और जाके आप अपनी माँ की देखभाल कीजिए. He had been doing all alone, because over here king is saying that I can do my work myself, and you just go to meet your mother, because your mother is blind and she cannot manage food properly. This was because over here you can say the king was very compassionate. Okay, been doing all along. He set him free, और वह उनको क्या कर देते हैं, फ्री कर देते हैं. यानी किंग उस वाइट एलिफेंट को फ्री कर देते हैं इन लव एंड काइंडनेस. सो वन थिंग यू विल keep in mind that why king lived this white elephant, because he was very kind hearted, and because of his love towards his mother, because of his kindness, because very kindly he was telling this story to the king. This was the reason, because of his love towards his mother, and because of his kindness king lived him. Okay, after that, next paragraph, from here you will see next paragraph. Okay, you can see over here next paragraph. I'm going to tell you this paragraph. This is big paragraph, but don't worry, slowly and steadily I will tell you. Okay, listen. The happy elephant went running home as fast as he could, and he was relieved to find that his mother was still alive. And after that, what happens? You can see over here, the happy elephant went running. Very fast I read it. Listen. The white elephant went running home as fast as he could, and he was relieved to find that his mother was still alive. He filled his trunk with water and poured it over his sick mother, who thought that it was running. Then she cried out as she thought that some evil spirit had come to harm her, and wished and prayed that her son was there to save her. So listen what happens over here. The white elephant went running home. When white elephant was set by the king, after that he ran from there, and very soon he reached near his mother. So very happy, and he was very happy also. So happy elephant went running home. It means he was running, and very soon he wanted to reach his home. So went running home as fast as he could, और वह इतना तेज दौड़ा जितना तेज वह दौड़ सकता था, as fast as he could. Okay, and he was relieved to find that his mother was still alive. And when he reached at his home at that time, when he found his mother alive, he became very happy, and he feels relief also. यानी उसको बड़ा आराम मिलता है, उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि till then his mother have alive. Okay, so his mother has alive. Okay, and he was relieved to find that his mother was still alive. He filled his trunk with water and poured it over his sick mother, who thought that it was raining. He filled his trunk with water, और उसने अपने ट्रंक को पानी इसमें क्या किया, डुबो दिया है. ट्रंक ही भर दिया. He filled his trunk with water and poured it over his sick mother. यानी अपने ट्रंक में वह पानी लेकर आता है और अपनी माँ के ऊपर पूरा पानी उड़ेल देता है. मदर हु थॉट दैट इट वाज रेनिंग, और जो उसकी माँ को ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे क्या हो रही हो, बारिश हो रही हो. देन सी क्राइड आउट, एंड आफ्टर दैट सी क्राइड आउट, काफ़ी तेजी से वह चिल्ला देती हैं. एज सी थॉट, क्योंकि उनको लगता है, एज सी थॉट दैट some evil spirit had come, because at that time, at this incident, because she knows already that her son have gone from there, because all the soldiers have catched him. And after that, then she cried out, because when you can say she feels some water on his head, so then she cried out loudly out, as she thought that, because she thought that some evil spirit had come to harm her, because she thought that some evil spirit had come over there and they want to harm her. This was the reason she was very worried, and she was very cried, and she feared it, and wished that, और ऐसा सोचती है, wished that that her son was there to save her. और उनको लगता है कि उनका बेटा उनको बचाने जरूर आएगा. Over here she was talking about you can say her son, her white elephant, and she was thinking, she was guessing that her son must come there to save her life. Okay, after that, next. The white elephant gently bent over his blind mother and stroked her lovingly. The white elephant gently bent over his blind mother. It means after that the white elephant यानी जो white elephant था gently bent over his blind mother and stroked her lovingly. यानी वह अपनी माँ की तरफ झुक जाता है, उनको स्ट्रोक करता है बहुत ही प्यार से. यानी उसकी माँ समझ जाती हैं कि उनका बेटा आ गया है. द वाइट एलिफेंट जेंटली बेंट ओवर हिज मदर. ही जेंटली बहुत ही उदारता पूर्वक वह अपनी माँ की तरफ झुक जाता है. एंड स्ट्रोक हर लविंगली, और प्यार से उनको स्ट्रोक करता है. सी इमीडिएटली recognized his touch, and when he stroked to his mother, at that time his mother recognized, वह पहचान जाती हैं, recognize कर जाती हैं his touch, उसकी touch को, and was overjoyed. और at that time she was overjoyed, she was very happy. You can say she was very very happy because she was very worried about his son, and his son have, you can say her son have returned now. To finding her son once again, she was very happy. Then she cried out, okay, wished and prayed that her son was there to save her. And now with the white elephant gently bent over his blind mother and asked her lovingly. She immediately recognized his touch and was overjoyed. After that, what happens? Her son lifted, 1 minute, her son, from here you will see, her son lifted her up and told her that the kind and compassionate king of Banaras had set him free. और उसने क्या बताया? Her son lifted her up, वह अपने बेटे को her son lifted her up and told. It means over here after that, it means he goes there to his mother, and after that her son lifted her up. एक तरह से वो अपनी माँ को गोद में ले लेते हैं. Her son lifted her up and told her, and after that he told about the all incident that happened over there. So her son lifted her up and told her that the kind and compassionate king, कि वह दयालु और सहानुभूतिपूर्ण जो किंग थे, जो राजा थे ऑफ बनारस के, had set him free. उन्होंने इस वाइट एलिफेंट को यानी उसके बेटों को क्या किया है? फ्री कर दिया है. इस तरह से वह अपनी माँ से बताता है. एंड ही वॉज देयर टू लव एंड लुक आफ्टर हिज मदर फॉरएवर. और यहाँ वह लौट कर आ गया है सो दैट ही कैन, ओवर हियर ही वॉज हियर टू लव, यानी वह यहाँ आ गया है सो दैट ही कैन लव टू हिज मदर, so that he can love to his mother and he can look after to his mother, ताकि वह अपनी माँ को प्यार कर सके, अपनी माँ की देखभाल कर सके फॉर एवर, हमेशा के लिए. ओके, आफ्टर दैट यू विल सी दैट one more passage over here left. So this is the last passage of this chapter, so I want to teach over here this also solution. What is happening over there? You can see that very first I want to make it over here, then you will understood it. Listen one thing that is very important. So 1 minute, this page you will see over here. His mother was absolutely thrilled. I have book. His mother was absolutely thrilled and blessed the kind king with peace, prosperity and joy till the end of his days. She was so thankful to him for sending her son back home. And after that what happens? His mother was absolutely thrilled. पहले तो उसकी मदर बहुत डर गई थी. And blessed, and after that she blessed, वह आशीर्वाद देती हैं. 1 minute. After that she blessed also, blessed the king, वह राजा को क्या करती हैं? ब्लेस करती हैं. Why she was blessing? Why she was blessing to the king? Because the king was very generous, he was very kind-hearted, he was very compassionate king, and he, to seeing the condition of her mother, of the mother, he left the yani king left the white elephant. This was the reason she thanking to him. The kind king and peace prosperity. और उस kind king को क्या क्या एक तरह से बोलती हैं, पीस करती हैं कि उसको शांति मिले, प्रॉस्पेरिटी समृद्धि मिले, एंड जॉय और उस वक्त जॉय में रहे, अच्छे से रहे, खुश रहे, जॉय करे, टिल द एंड ऑफ हिज डेज. इट मीन्स टिल हिज एंटायर लाइफ. इन दिस वे you can say white elephant's mother, you can say blessed to that king. यानी जो वाइट एलिफेंट की जो माँ थी, मदर थी, वह उस किंग को इस तरह से ब्लेस कर रही हैं, आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं, बिकॉज ही हैज़ लेफ्ट टू हिज सन. ओके. आफ्टर दैट हिज डेथ she was so thankful to him for sending her son back to home, and she was very, you can say she was very thankful also. यानी एक तरह से कृतार्थ थी, थैंकफुल थी टू हिम, उसके प्रति, फॉर सेंडिंग हर सन बैक होम, क्योंकि उन्होंने उनके बेटे को वापस भेज दिया था. आफ्टर दैट दिस पैराग्राफ, द वाइट एलिफेंट वॉज able to take good care for his mother. The white elephant was able to take good care of his mother, and after that he was able over here, because he was present over here, and he can take care his mother well. So good care, you can say good care of his mother टिल द डेज ऑफ डाइड, यानी मृत्यु तक, जब तक उसकी माँ की मृत्यु नहीं हो जाती, जब तक उसकी माँ उसके साथ रहेंगी, तब तक वह अपनी माँ की क्या करेगा, गुड केयर करेगा. ओके. एंड देन ही डाइड हिमसेल्फ, एंड आफ्टर दैट ही विल डाई हिमसेल्फ. द किंग इरेक्टेड अ क्यूट ऑफ हिज, you can say statue of him by the side of the lake, and held an annual elephant festival there. You can see over here what happens after that. The white elephant was able to take good care of his mother till the days of death, and when he died himself, the king, और जब वह खुद मर जाता है तो after that what king does, you can see किंग इरेक्टेड अ स्टैच्यू, यानी वहाँ पे एक मूर्ति को इरेक्ट किया जाता है, बनाया जाता है, ऑफ हिम, यानी उस वाइट एलिफेंट की, बाय द साइड ऑफ द लेक, उस लेक के किनारे, एंड हेल्ड एन एनुअल एलिफेंट फेस्टिवल. एंड व्हाट हेल्ड एन एनुअल एलिफेंट फेस्टिवल, एक एनुअल एलिफेंट फेस्टिवल वहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज किया जाता है देयर, इन मेमोरी ऑफ सच अ caring and noble soul, in the memory of, because he was very kind hearted, he was very generous, he was very loving towards his mother. This was the reason for this noble soul. Who is noble soul over here? For this white elephant, a kind of annual elephant festival organized on the bank of that lake at Mount Candorana. So this was the complete story. Over here, one thing I want to make clear, because you have completed your chapter now, so you can understood through this chapter that what is the meaning of a white elephant. And you know, one question I have told you before this, that when I was starting to teach you that you know, the white elephant was very kind hearted, you can see from here. So he was, and after that he find a reward of his kindness or not. So you can over here understood the moral of this story also, because you know, white elephant was very kind hearted, and he was very generous, he always cared to his mother, and you can say he was very good also. So for his kindness he find to reward of his life, उसको अपने जीवन का एक तरह से रिवार्ड मिल जाता है. क्योंकि अगर किंग उदार नहीं होता, या उसकी उदारता को वह नहीं देखता, अगर उसको माँ के प्रति ऐसे स्वभाव को नहीं देखता, तो शायद राजा उसको छोड़ते नहीं. सो इसलिए इस कहानी से हमको यही सीख मिलती है कि हमें भी काइंड हार्टेड होना चाहिए, हमें भी गुड होना चाहिए, हमें भी अच्छा होना चाहिए, हमें भी सबके प्रति अच्छा व्यवहार करना चाहिए, और ख़ासकर सभी की देखभाल करनी चाहिए. बिकॉज ओवर हियर टू सीइंग द condition, or you can say to seeing the behavior of that white elephant towards his mother, the king leaved him. In the same way, you will also, when you will find this kind of condition, and you will always be a very kind hearted man in your life. Okay, you will learn from this story. So dear students, after that I want to thank you, and you will read, you will see this video. Thank you dear students.